Okay, so now that you have the Colosimo press unpacked, we're going to hook it to the machine. It's very simple. You take the ring of the grinder off, you take your adapter, it goes through the ring. This is a 52 head ring, and you screw the ring back on with the adapter in place. I leave it a little bit loose, and the machine just screws off, or the press screws off. Once it's tight, you want to make sure that it comes straight up. Now you can tighten the head. Now that the machine, or now that the press is in place, you put the die, you insert the die. Pull the die all the way back, and you take these stays. The stays have knobs on one side and are flat on the other side. The knobs have to go outside, and they click into place. And once they click into place, you know that the die is all the way back. Then you take the paper hanger, you put the paper hanger on. It can go on either side. So the paper hanger goes on. Now you've got your paper on. You take your ramp hanger, slide the ramp hanger on. You put the ramp on. Thread the paper through, and now you're ready to grind. The great thing about this press is now that it's in place, it's very simple to pull the stays out and change dies. So out comes this die, and boom, you can put in a different die, so that while you're grinding, you can change the configuration of what you're making. That is the new Colosimo press. Thank you.